In this video, I will show you how to join Bitget Referral Program. So first of all, open up your Bitget app. And if you aren't started yet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn a nice welcome bonus. Anyway, let's dive into this video by clicking on the profile icon at the top left. And from here, under quick access, we can see referral. So let's click on this. And here you can see become a premier inviter and enjoy a 25% rebate. And this is the Bitget Referral Program. And there are some things that you need to do to get started. And the first thing is to click on Activate Now. And the first thing what you need to do is you need to make one eligible invitee in 30 days. So that is the first thing that you can do. Or you can have all invitees reach a total trading volume of 5,000 USDT within the last 30 days. But this one is harder to reach than the first one. So the first one is the easiest. So what you need to do to start, you need to click on Invite Now. And then you will get your personal link. And you can just go ahead and click on copy, or you can send it on social media platforms. And then when someone goes to that link and when they follow the steps, you will eventually join the referral program of Bitget. And after you have joined it, you can go to various other invitation activities here down below. So go ahead and do that if you're interested. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.